Pry up the 8 clasps on the top of the wooden crate and remove the lid. Take out the machine and accessories inside. When placing the chassis and workbench, be careful not to bend the black corrugated tube, as the internal optical fibers can be easily damaged. Main tower. Cable. Wrench for locking the lift shaft. Aviation plug for rotary. Key. USB flash drive. Tape rule. Hex wrench. Monitor stand. Power cable. Position bars. Safety goggles. Laser arm. Steel ruler. Work table. Accessory box. Manual. Pedal switch. Mount the laser arm so that the lens is above the work area. Align the 4 holes on the laser arm casing with the holes on the support column. Tighten the laser arm with the provided bolts. Use a standard 110-volt power supply to connect the main power. Turn on the machine's emergency stop switch to ensure the device is powered. Insert the key and turn it to activate the scan head switch. Connect the computer to the USB drive included with the product. Copy its components to the computer's hard drive. Remember the file storage path. Connect the USB ports and the computer with the provided cable. Open the computer's device manager. Find the recognized machine. Select to install the drive. Once the driver installation is successful, it will appear. Open the saved software, EasyCAD, on your computer. Set the machine parameters in the software. Parameters can be seen in the file screenshot. And confirm the machine parameters in the software. Install the positioning plate on the workbench. Place the material and then secure the positioning block according to the position of the material. Use the provided ruler to measure the distance from the surface of the material to the lower edge of the red stripe on the galvanometer scanning head. Turn the adjustment wheel to adjust the height of the galvanometer so that the measured distance matches the distance marked on the nameplate. Normally, when the focus distance is correct, the 2 red dots on the engraving material will converge into 1 red dot. Remove the protective cover under the lens. Press Fiber Laser button. Import the design diagram. Set the engraving parameters. Position of the diagram to be marked on the material. Select the frame function in the software to preview the actual size and put on protective glasses. Click Start Marking. After the engraving is complete, press Fiber Laser again to stop the machine. In case of a fire or other emergencies, press Emergency Stop immediately to terminate the engraving.